I'm Jason and Alex is behind the camera, and today we're building a cyanoacrylate chamber. So basically super glue contains cyanoacrylate, and you can use that to develop fingerprints, which we have on this CD here. So when you place the CD down in the chamber facing the wax heater, when you put the super glue on top of the aluminum foil on the wax heater, it heats up and it'll create the fumes, and when you have water in it, it'll create that humidity that you can use to create fingerprints. Because I don't want to die and I kind of like my skin, I'm going to wear rubber gloves and then eyeglasses to protect my eyes.
So now we're going to start the actual reaction itself. You're going to want to do this in outdoors or either in a well-ventilated area. You're going to start by putting the super glue in the dish and then turning on the wax burner to heat it up. But right after this, you're going to want to cover it so no fumes will get out. So we're going to only put 1 to 2 drops of super glue. Make sure you're wearing gloves while doing this. Then you're going to want to cover it. We're going to go ahead and plug it in right here.
One sad and low budget transition later.
So what's actually happening, the cyanoacrylate is getting heated up into its gas state, and it's slowly circulating around the chamber, revealing the latent fingerprints, but not immediately. It can take anywhere from 5 minutes to 2 hours for it to fully reveal the fingerprints, depending on the humidity, the size, and the concentration of the gaseous cyanoacrylate in the chamber.
Another sad, low-budget transition to a probably very boring segment of our video.
So there are some key benefits to using super glue fuming for fingerprints, because the prints, they will generally last for years because of the hardness, and it creates like a hard shell around the fingerprint itself, the super glue. So yeah.
Another sad and very low-budget transition later.
Okay.
So now that we let the fingerprints develop for a while, we're going to take it out here into a well-ventilated area so we don't die. So we're going to take it out here, and when I open it, I'm going to make sure I'm away from it so that I don't inhale any of the fumes. So we're going to let it air out for a little bit so we also don't die again twice. The final low-budget transition and an attempt to add comedy to our video. So as you can see, we now have our well-developed latent fingerprints from our cyanoacrylate chamber.